Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create hole in the face in Photoshop. Without any further talk, let's start. So first, you need to import your first image by coming to File and click on Open or Ctrl plus O. I have my image here. Second, you bring your second image, so come here and then click on your Move tool, hold on it, drag it, and leave it to the image here. Hit on Ctrl T and rotate and scale it how you want. Now come to layers, reduce the opacity so that you can see the final outcome. So okay, so hit on OK. Now bring back the opacity to 100. Next, let's blend it. We can use the multiply, so hit on multiply. Now come down here and create levels, so hit on levels. Now adjust the white, adjust it, adjust your levels. Make sure to click on this clipping marks here so that it will only affect the image that we are working on. So adjust it well so that you can see the left eye. So this one is okay. Close that one. Now come here, select the image like this, the whole, then create a mask. Select the mask, come here, make sure your foreground is black. Come to your brush. Now select a soft round brush, select a reasonable brush, and the opacity can be 50 or 52. Let me use the 51. Make sure you are in the layer mask and use the bracket close, bracket open to scale it. Now let's delete the unwanted parts in the image like this. Let's delete the unwanted part in the image like this. So this is we are working on the parts that we don't want anymore. If at all you did any mistake, you can choose a white foreground and then make sure you bring it. You won't do it. Well, so this is it. Now click on Ctrl Alt Shift and E at the same time to duplicate the image. Right click and convert to smart object. Now come to filter here and come to camera raw filter. In our camera raw filter, let's do some corrections here. Let's do some corrections. Yeah, so that is it. This is the final outcome. Well, so thanks for watching. This is a simple step on how to create a hole in the face in Adobe Photoshop.